Have you ever wondered how the future of technology looks like? Could 5G be the revolution we've been waiting for? As we stand here in 2023, technology is at an incredible juncture. We've seen the rise and evolution of the internet, the proliferation of smart devices, and the advent of technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. But now, we're on the cusp of another significant leap forward, the 5G revolution. Imagine lightning-fast internet speeds that allow you to download a full-length movie in mere seconds. Visualize seamless connectivity that ensures you never lose signal, whether you're in the heart of a bustling city or the middle of a desert. This is the promise of 5G networks. Through advanced techniques and cutting-edge technology, 5G is set to redefine how we interact with the world around us. It's not just about faster internet. It's about creating a whole new level of communication and efficiency. With 5G, we stand at the brink of a new era of connectivity. But what makes 5G so special? How does it promise to change the way we interact with technology? Let's break it down to its bare essentials and see what makes it tick. At the heart of 5G technology lie three advanced techniques: massive MIMO, beamforming, and millimeter waves. These may sound complex, but they're the secret sauce that makes 5G so revolutionary. Starting with massive MIMO, which stands for multiple input, multiple output. This technology involves deploying a large number of antennas at the base station to improve the capacity of mobile networks. By using multiple antennas, 5G can serve multiple users and multiple data streams at the same time, leading to faster download speeds and smoother streaming. Next up, we've got beamforming. This is a traffic signaling system for cellular base stations that identifies the most efficient data delivery route to a particular user, rather than broadcasting in all directions. So instead of sending data everywhere, beamforming allows 5G to send a concentrated beam of data directly to the user. This results in a stronger and more reliable connection, not to mention less interference from other signals. And finally, there's millimeter waves. These are ultra-high frequency waves that can carry massive amounts of data over short distances. Traditional cellular bands are crowded, with speeds and performance limited by this congestion. Millimeter waves, on the other hand, offer a new frontier of capacity for carrying data because they've been relatively untapped. However, these waves have one limitation. They can't travel long distances or penetrate obstacles like buildings. That's why 5G networks will rely on a dense network of small, low-power base stations to boost these signals and ensure coverage. So, it's the combination of these three key techniques, massive MIMO, beamforming, and millimeter waves, that enables 5G to deliver faster downloads, smoother streaming, and reduced latency. These cutting-edge technologies make 5G a game-changer, enabling an unparalleled wireless experience. Now, let's delve into how 5G is revolutionizing various industries, from healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment. The healthcare sector is witnessing a significant transformation with 5G. The sheer speed and low latency of 5G networks are enabling remote surgeries, reducing geographical barriers, and potentially saving countless lives. Imagine a world-class surgeon performing a complex operation from thousands of miles away, all in real time. In the realm of transportation, 5G is the driving force behind autonomous vehicles. With its rapid data transfer and reliable connectivity, 5G empowers these vehicles to make split-second decisions, enhancing safety and efficiency on the roads. Education too is being reshaped by 5G. The technology is facilitating immersive learning experiences, making education more accessible and engaging. Picture virtual classrooms where students can interact with 3D models and simulations, fostering a deeper understanding of complex concepts. The entertainment industry isn't left behind either. 5G is enhancing virtual reality experiences, enabling smoother, more immersive gaming and streaming services. Imagine watching your favorite movie or sports event in ultra-high definition with no buffering or lag. That's the magic of 5G. From manufacturing to retail, agriculture to tourism, there's hardly an industry that 5G isn't touching, bringing about a paradigm shift in the way we live and work. Indeed, 5G is transforming the way we live and work, opening up a myriad of possibilities. So, what does all this mean for us? How does the future look with 5G technology? As we've seen, the potential of 5G is immense. With lightning-fast speeds and seamless connectivity, it's revolutionizing not just our digital interactions, but also industries from healthcare to transportation. For businesses and individuals alike, 5G opens up a world of possibilities. Faster downloads, smoother streaming, and unimaginable efficiencies. With 5G, we're witnessing the future of technology, and it's nothing short of astonishing.